Good afternoon, Primary 5. I hope you're really well and enjoying a wee bit of the sunshine that's out just now. Okay, let's have a wee look at this strategy here. So I would say this is the one that we probably use the most in class for addition. So this is the example that's on this slide. So I'll do an example where we're using smaller numbers to start with, okay? So what you're going to do is obviously add on 35 to the 27 that's there. So we start with 27 at this end of our number line because we're counting on, so that's the direction we're going to go in. So the best thing that we could do first of all to make it the easiest for ourselves is split the 5 into 3 and 2. The reason that makes it easier is we can add on the 3 and that's going to take us to a nice round number. Okay, so if we add on 3, that's going to take us to the 30. Okay, so we've used that. Then if we add on, either way, probably I would then add on your 10s here. So let's do a big jump of 30. 30 add 30 takes us up to 60. Then that just leaves us the 2 to add on because we've just added on the 30. So let's add on 2 and that takes us to our answer of 62. So 27 add 35 equals 62. Now it's the exact same principle if we're using bigger numbers, okay, with hundreds, tens and units for example. So if we go to an example where it's a bigger number, let's say 345 plus 236. Okay, so we're going to add 236 on to the 345. So again, we're going to start at this end of our number line. Okay, excuse me, 2 minutes. I try and draw this number line with one hand. Okay, so can you see where would be best to make the next jump to? We always try and make the next jump to our nearest round, our whole number, because it makes it much easier for us to add. So if we look at the 5, if we add on 5 from this 6, so if we split this into 5 and 1, okay, and we add on the 5, that's going to take us to a nice round number. That's going to take us to 350. Okay, let's score that one out because we've used it. Then if we add on our 10s, okay, big jump of 30, so 350 add 30 is going to take us to 380. I'm going to score this out because we've used it. Then again, it's up to you, but for me I would add on my hundreds now. So a big jump of 200. Now if you can split the 200, if that's easier, you could split it into 2 lots of 100 if it's easier for you to count that way. So 380 plus 200 is going to take us to 580. Let's score that out because we've used it. Then the last thing we need to add on is this wee 1 that we had left from the 6. So a wee jump of 1 is going to take us to 581, which is our answer. Okay, so 345 plus 236 equals 581.